And this question it is given that ice starts freezing in a lake with the water at 0 degrees Celsius when the atmospheric temperature is minus 10 degrees Celsius. If the time taken for 1 centimeter of ice to be formed is 12 minutes, then time taken for the thickness of ice to change from 1 centimeter to 2 centimeter will be. So we know that the relation between time taken and thickness, that is T, is directly proportional to x square. So initially it is given that time taken to change the the formation of ice of 1 centimeter thickness is 12 minutes, and for the from 1 to 2 centimeter, we can take it as it is the time taken from 0 to 1 centimeter is nothing but 12 minutes. So we can find out the value of time taken to change from 0 to 2 centimeter. Let's say that is equal to T. So from the relation that is T is directly proportional to x square, we can write T2 divided by T1 is equal to x2 divided by x1 the whole square. So over here T2 is time taken from 0 to 2 centimeter and not from 1 centimeter to 2 centimeter, and T1 is a time taken from 0 to 1 centimeter. So we can write T2 divided by T1 is given as something but 12 minutes is equal to x2 we can take it as something but 2 centimeter by x1 we can take it as 1 centimeter the whole square, so that is equal to 4. So the value of T2 we can take it as 4 into 12, or we can write that is equal to 48 minutes. That means time taken to form ice of thickness 2 centimeter is 48, and time taken to form 0 to 1 centimeter is nothing but 12. So we can write from 1 centimeter to 2 centimeter, it is 48 minus 12, that is equal to nothing but 36. So first 1 centimeter is taking 12 minutes, and next 1 centimeter it is taking 36 minutes. Or we can say that this is exact analysis. In question they are asking whether it is more than 12 minutes or more than 24 minutes. So we can say that definitely it is more than 24 minutes, and if you want to find out the value of exact value, then the answer is 36 minutes.